Start. Okay, good afternoon, good evening, guys, depending from which time you are watching. Today, we are giving you tips on the engine, small tips on the engine. In case if your bike stops somewhere, maybe you can able to rectify before calling the recover team. So the first thing, if your engine is not on, if the dashboard is everything here, if the light is coming and everything is on, is working, the first thing for you to check is your fuel. You check if you have fuel. You open like this and you check if you have fuel. That's the first step you take to see if there's fuel inside your bike. When you check, you close it back. Okay. The second step, you open your tank. You open your tank to see if you have fuel. If there is fuel, it's okay. So the third step to check, the third thing to check is here, the engine spark. This one they call it engine spark. This way you check. You open it like this, and you try to kick. You try to start it. If there is flow of current, you try to start it. If everything is working, you see the light, there is a current sparking there. You see, there's a light sparking. That means everything is okay. That means this other side is checked. So the next thing to check, you come here. This is the next thing to check. You check if this place is okay. You put this one back. You feed this one back to its position. Fit it back to its position. And the next thing to check it. Okay, if everything is okay and you are starting, the starting is not working yet. And when you start your bike, maybe you are starting here, your bike is not starting. What you do, you come to the foot starting engine. You start it. If it's not working yet, if it's not working still, yeah, now like it's working. But sometimes you may start it like this and it will not be working. Sometimes you may start it, maybe you'll be very, very holy. You start it, maybe it will be very difficult. You will not go like this. This now is soft, it can start. You understand? But sometimes you'll be starting it, you will not be going. You have to use force, it's not going. That means the engine is broken. If you start it and the thing is not going down, it's not going down like this, that means there's a problem inside the engine. So then now you can call for a recover team to come and take it to the garage. But for that, these are just the small tips we are giving you. Lastly, this power switch, this is off. The engine now is off. You have to make sure your engine is on, because this where this on, is off. So you have to check this power button too. Most importantly, you have to check this power button, because without this power button, all these things will not work. So you check the power button whether it's on or off. So that's another thing to check. So that's it. And if you come here and if you try to start it, this place is strong. It's not going down. It's not soft like this. If it's not soft like this, that means the engine is having problem inside. But if it's going soft like this, that means the engine is not having problem. But if you cannot be able to set it, then you can call the recover team to come and pick you up from where you are. So these are the small tips we are giving you. And sometimes there's always a problem here too, because sometimes maybe your bike is not starting. Maybe the fuel is on or off. So you have to on the fuel and off, because sometimes some people will off the fuel so that the fuel will not be going. So when your bike is not starting too, you have to check here whether the fuel is the fuel switch is on or off. So that this one too is very important for you. You have to check here whether the fuel is on or off. This is the fuel switch, on or off. This one.